Hey students, Happy New Year. Hope all is well. This is your Professor Anthony Pagan. Now you can connect a face with the name, though hopefully you've been on Canvas this week and you've seen my profile photo. Speaking of which, there are a few of you who have yet to upload your photo. Make sure you get that done by this evening so that you can receive your credit for those 10 easy points. Today's video, we're going to cover what's due this upcoming week number 2. I'm going to go over how to access your first exam, which will be open. It's open right now, and it will be open up until 11:59 p.m. January 14th. So you've got a full week, folks, to not only get your week 2 assignments done, but also to complete your first exam. So as you can see on the desktop here, I am in Canvas, or sorry, test out. Goodness, we're going to cover Canvas coming up shortly. As far as notifications go, that's the other thing that I want to cover in this video for this week. So you can see here on the actual test out interface, I'm logged in, and you'll see that the COSN 5 10388 winter, you've got a pending exam of number 1. Okay, so the 1 is in red. You click on the 1, and then what do you know? You'll see the schedule exam. My schedule date is a little bit different, but yours is live and it's ready to go. And then all you got to do is click on start the exam, and then you're off and running. A couple of things regarding the custom exam. Make sure every assignment from last week to this week is completed before attempting the exam, because that's all open game, folks, and that's how it's going to be with exam 2 as well as exam 3. From the point of once you completed your exam till the following next time you have your next exam. Okay, so from week 3, let's say 3 and 4 would be the next 2 weeks of what you'd be responsible for as far as your next exam. So weeks 1 and 2 are covered in this upcoming exam. Complete the assignments, get the exam done. Allow enough time to get your exam completed, put yourself in a interruption-free environment, and also my recommendation would be to get the exam completed during normal business hours. In the event, for whatever reason, you have some sort of troubleshooting issue, you can contact the test out support folks. Please don't email me or notify me through Canvas talking about whatever your issue is. I'm not going to be able to help you, unfortunately. I didn't write the software. This is just a tool we use to give you the experience in an online environment that you would normally not have the ability to do in a virtual environment. So that's the simulations. So that's a recommendation for those of you who decide, hey, I'm working and the only time I can complete the exam is on the weekends. That's totally your prerogative. But in the event of any technical issue, you will not have the ability to get the support and help that you need from the folks at Test Out. So keep that in mind. So that's the upcoming exam, and make sure, like I said, you've got this week's assignments ahead of you. Get those going. Digest it, absorb the information, because you will see the simulations again. The exam will be comprised of mainly simulations and a few matching, multiple choice, things of that nature. So there's 50 questions. I don't put any time limit on it, so the only time limit I have is getting it completed by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So hopefully that covers any questions and all the information necessary for you to be successful for your first exam. Okay. As far as Canvas goes, one of the things that I wanted to share with you is a great tool called notifications. All right, And some of you may have experience with Canvas. You may have taken other online courses, so you might have this feature already enabled. But in the event, we'll cover that. Before I jump into that, some of you, it's mainly 95% of you, are enrolled in the class. But in the event that you are not enrolled, because if you're not enrolled, I can't run my report. Well, I can run my report, but it won't show your completed assignments. So real simple, under your classes, you click enroll, you type in my last name, you can find me, right? Hit the little search field, select me, and then you'll select the enroll in the COSN 5 Web 10388 Winter 2018. Real simple, okay? And that's how you enroll. So I wanted to show you that as well, because like I said, there's maybe a couple of you that have yet to enroll. So I'll be running my report after this evening, and then I'll update your scores in Canvas. That's how it works. I'll run the report in test out, verify that, hey, you completed week one's assignments, you'll get your 50 points. If you missed a few here and there, then I'll deduct accordingly, and then you'll get your score. And then that's what will be displayed within Canvas. Speaking of Canvas, okay, here's where we're at. We're in Canvas. Real simple as far as enabling notifications. You click on the account, right, and then you select notifications. Okay, so you'll notice there's quite a number of options as far as you receiving notifications. How you receive notifications is anytime a change in regards to content is concerned on Canvas that I make, you'll be notified via email. So when I post, as an example, my weekly video, boom, once it's uploaded on the home page, you'll get a notification, and you'll be able to say, hey, okay, Pagan must have uploaded something. Let me go and check out Canvas at my earliest opportunity. So I'm in the know, and I'm on my path to becoming successful in the class, getting that A or B, because I know that's what you're all striving for. So you can go through this line by line at your leisure, but the one recommendation I would make is the course content section right here. This is what you want to put that green flag, enable that. I'm not going to do that on my end because I'm the creator of the course, right, or the content. So I would flag that, and then if you want to enable push notifications on your devices, then by all means, you can do that as well. So files announcements, like I said, if you want to, whatever you want to flag it, and then you'll get notified. That's pretty much how that works, okay? And just a reminder, please continue to contact me via Canvas, okay? That's the platform we're going to use, okay? And there's a few people that have been notifying me, so that's great. Some of you had some issues with the Linux lab, so in the event, if you had some issues, do me a favor. I went through the lab actually today to help out one of your fellow classmates, and I recorded a really quick Camtasia walking you through step by step on how to get the lab completed successfully. So that's a tool that's already on my YouTube channel. So those of you visiting my channel, you can check it out there, or if you'd like the link, shoot me a notification via Canvas, and then I'll shoot you the link over. So that's not an issue. That's pretty much it, folks, for me. I hope you all are extremely successful on this upcoming test one. Continue to stay ahead of the game. Do me a favor, stay ahead. Like I said, 1 down, 4 to go. And before you know it, we'll be wrapping up this winter session. And hopefully, you're wrapping up the winter session with either an A or a B in the course. All right, folks, have a great week. Be positive and be kind to one another. Take care.